And today guys I'm going to take you on a short tour of the Henry Resort in Dumaguete, and the reason being is Paul McGill, Old Dog New Tricks, he invited me here to do an interview, and I was so impressed by the surroundings that I just had to make a short video. It was so impressive, and the beauty of this place, it's so much of a luscious green pasture, the majesty of the coconut trees. There's so much to take in here, and it's actually so spacious. It would take me 20 minutes to do a video, so I've tried to shorten it to about 9 minutes. So forgive me if I've cut it a bit short, but you can only do so much with a short video. So let's continue. I've passed the entrance, I've walked along to the main pathway, and this takes us into the cafe area where you can sit with your coffee, your tea, and have a chat. And it's absolutely great if you're a YouTuber wishing to interview someone. There's very little noise in the background, and you're kind of left at peace. And that kind of sums up the Henry Resort. It's kind of very tranquil. And here is one of the cafe bar type restaurants, Noelle's, and this is attached to the resort, and it would serve the residents for their breakfast, and their breakfast is between 7 AM and 10 AM in the morning, so they get a free breakfast at Noelle's. The other one is San Rival, so they can choose from a free breakfast there also. It's also included in the price. I am now approaching the unique novelty called the Stairway to Nowhere, and you can see it in the background there as I approach, and you can see the stairway swirling all the way up to nowhere. So this is a very unique feature in this cafe area. And after looking at the Stairway to Nowhere, I'm just going to pan around with the camera to show you a panoramic view of the outdoor cafeteria area. It's lovely, it's kept absolutely spotlessly clean. It's cleaned every day by the staff, and as you can see there are plenty of tables, seats available to sit at, and again it's very quiet, so it's maybe perfect if you're wishing to meet up with someone for a one-to-one or to do your YouTube interviews. Here now we walk along the path to the cafe. You can see San Rival in the background, and now I'm approaching the fountain where I do a lot of my vlogging, and even the fountain is very quiet, so peaceful this area. So if you're into meditation and just relaxing, it's just nice to come along here for your mental health. Helps you to relax and be at one with nature. And here is another cafe, bar, and again it's all attached to the resort, to the Henry Resort, and it's very stylish, very high-end type of restaurant, so you may pay a bit more than you would if you were going outside or inside the city centre of Dumaguete, but it's all worthwhile. Okay, here now we enter the main lobby, the entrance to the resort, with the staff being very friendly, very hospitable. So now I'm walking through past the lobby, and again more fountains in the back, and as I look to my left, if we walk straight on, that would take us to a car park, and here we are at the car park. There's plenty of motorbikes and people carriers, and as we continue our walk past the car park we come to the Red Kitchen, another eating place. And on the left hand side is an exhibition centre. I think they're doing a Silliman University gallery show. And I am approaching the Red Kitchen once again just to show some of the offers they have. And to the left you can see the San Rival Cafe. And we now approach the Holy of Holies. This is the proper entrance to the villas, to the Premier Villa Suite and the Villa Suite, and to the swimming pool. So my friend Jasper in the resort, he is showing me how to use the security. You're issued with a private security card to use to swipe, which he's now doing, and entering the private accommodation area. So as we look to the left, As the camera pans to the left, you'll see the security to get back out again to exit. And walking in again to the left hand side is a private swimming pool, and this is a truly exclusive swimming pool. And as Jasper walks forward, he shows on the left hand side the rest of the swimming pool, which has sunbeds inserted into the pool, and with 3 fountains feeding into the pool. You can see it just to the right hand side. This really is exclusive and top end swimming pool. Night time, the lights come on, it just looks absolutely incredible. Let's take another wee look at this amazing swimming pool. In many ways I'm reminded of a Buddhist monastery, and as we continue our tour we head towards the villa suite, and Jasper opens the door to show us the bedroom with the luxurious parquet flooring, the massive bed, and the top of the ceiling we have a fan, and there's table and chairs there if you want to dine at that small table. There is also a small selection of tea, coffee and snacks for a weary traveller who's had a long day. We then move towards the bed with the small bedside cabinets and some soft lighting in the background, and if you look top left you'll find the aircon. And as we pan across back to the curtains, we can open the curtains to get a view of outside. We now head to the CR room. In the Philippines that means comfort room, or as we know it, the bathroom or shower room. And this has a power shower, and it's incredible, the immensity, the size of this place. It's absolutely incredible. In fact, this video doesn't do it justice. It's much bigger than a hotel room, and the money spent on the tiling must have been over the top. But it's an absolutely luxurious bathroom with natural light flooding in through the stained glass, and plenty of room for towels, bed and bedding. And here we have the sofa, which turns into a sofa bed, so it would fit one person to sleep overnight. So you would have 3 people in the villa suite. And that brings us to the end of our tour of Henry's Resort.